Good morning, Van Horn Hornets. This is the week of October 29th, Van Horn Hive. And always focus. Remember to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. Updates. We will be celebrating Red Ribbon Week this week. Today is Wear Red Day. Tuesday is Mix Match Day. Wednesday, Halloween, is Pajama Day. No Halloween costumes are allowed. Thursday is Jersey Day, and Friday is Spirit Day, which we will count how many participants we have to see who wins the November trophy. We will be doing our PBIS matrix rotation this week on Wednesday and Thursday. Thank you to everybody for being flexible with us last week. I put schedules in your boxes last week. I will also post one on the whiteboard if you're not sure what your time is, so please reference the whiteboard to see what time you start your rotation. Also last week, I put notices in teachers' boxes of their observation evaluation for people with last names ending in A through L. Please see me ASAP to schedule your pre-brief and your observation. My calendar is filling up quickly. Some reminders, we have a staff meeting on Tuesday, October 30th from 2:45 to 3:20 in the multipurpose room. Please be there promptly. This Friday, I'll be hosting the first Chatta Latte at Van Horn. We'll all have coffee and treats with parents to keep open communication between the school and parents. Depending upon how many parents we have, we may visit a classroom. All right, we will have awards next week, November 8th, for reading, writing, math, growth, and grit, and excellence in attendance for quarter one for first through sixth grades. And then we will also do honor roll and principals list for third through sixth grades. Then we will do our student of the month on Friday, November 9th. If you have not turned in your yellow folder to me, please do so that I can refill it with new certificates, and I will make sure that those yellow folders are in your boxes this week. In looking ahead, on Wednesday, November 14th, we will have a long staff meeting / professional development on data-informed instruction. So we will meet from 1:45 to 3:20. If we finish up early, you will have some time to meet with grade levels. All right, some shout outs. Thank you to Miss Witt, Miss Jamie, Miss Akins, Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Wolgamuth, and Mr. Haycock for covering afternoon duty during parent-teacher conferences. Parents, teachers, if you see these staff members on campus, please thank them for their support. Thank you to Miss Akins for conducting Feel Good Friday on Friday in Mr. Haycock's and my absence. Thank you to Mrs. Horg, Miss Borges, and Coach for a successful fall sports season. They will be arranging a pizza party in celebration of their success. Thank you to Miss Olga for covering for Miss Kathy last week while Miss Kathy was out for a few days. A huge thank you to Mrs. Valdez for serving in Miss Ward's absence during quarter one. We look forward to having you back on campus throughout the year as a substitute. Finally, Miss Ward has returned from maternity leave. Welcome back to Van Horn. We're excited to have you here. And last but certainly not least, a huge thank you to all staff members for a successful parent-teacher conference week. All right, that's it. Please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction for ELA and math, data analysis and backwards mapping, and our PBIS school-wide matrix rotation. We are still focusing on lining up and walking on the blacktop. Have a great week.